ladies, Jenny here, coming to you live from the Delta Hotels by Marriott in Virginia Beach. As many women know, the demands of our professional and personal lives can be both rewarding and challenging. That's why I'm excited to share something very special with you today. An opportunity to recharge, rejuvenate, and reconnect with what matters most. I'm delighted to invite you to our upcoming event, Retail Therapy, a women's wellness retreat for you and your business. This retreat is designed with you in mind, focusing on the holistic well-being of our incredible women leaders.
At the heart of this retreat is the belief that a happy, healthy you leads to a successful and a thriving business. We have curated a program that combines wellness practices and empowering workshops to rejuvenate your mind, your body, and your spirit. Joining us to impart profound insights and leadership wisdom, we're so thrilled to announce Angela Reddix, the powerhouse entrepreneur and visionary, as our keynote speaker at Retail Therapy, adding a dynamic dimension to an already empowering event. We'll also have gentle morning restorative yoga with Dr. Sara Smith that awakens your senses, to workshops led by inspiring speakers and the chance to connect with fellow women leaders. Retail Therapy is a holistic experience crafted and waiting for you.